Is hail damage covered under my home insurance and under my car insurance policies? That's a great question, and we're going to answer it right now. So the answer is yes. On every policy I've ever seen, both homeowners and auto insurance, hail damage, yes, is covered under your policy. I always have to give this caveat. Each policy is different, each state is different. So make sure you check your own policy to make sure it is covered. But like I said, 99% of the time you are going to be covered for hail damage. But let's jump into it in a little more detail. Let's first talk about your homeowner's insurance and hail damage. Most of the time, hail damage on your home is going to occur on your roof. Whether you have asphalt shingles, whether you have a tile roof, whether you have some other type of material up there. Generally, when a hailstorm comes through and damages your home, the damage is going to be to your roof. And like I said, if that does happen, you want to get an expert out there, a roofing expert out there, have them take a look at the damage, and it will be covered under most homeowners insurance policies. Sometimes hail may come through your windows and shatter your glass windows. Sometimes it may damage the side of your home. Those things would all be covered just the same as if there were damage to your roof. Now remember, in all cases with claims, you want to weigh how much the damage is versus your deductible. So if you have a $1,000 deductible on your home policy, or even a $2,500 deductible, but the damage is only $2,000 or $3,000, in that case, it may not be worth it to get a couple $100s from the insurance company and then to have that claim on your record for the next 3 to 5 years. Because remember, even though it's not your fault that a hailstorm came through and damaged your home, that still is a claim that will show up on your record, and that claim will still affect your insurance premiums, probably by raising them for the next 3 to 5 years. So now let's move on and talk a little bit about your car insurance, hail damage to your vehicle. A hailstorm comes through and your car is parked out in the open and it gets damaged. It's crazy because a lot of times you can't see hail damage on your car until you get a little bit closer, and then you see all these mini little divots. And most of the time, if you have a hail damage to your vehicle is going to be totaled out. I've seen it happen many, many times. But the good news is, as long as you have comprehensive collision coverage, what a lot of people refer to as full coverage, you are going to have coverage for hail damage to your vehicle. If you have just liability only, sorry, you're going to be out of luck. You're not going to have any coverage. But you would want to do the same thing in this case. You would want to take it into a body shop, get an estimate of the damage, find out how much it's going to cost to repair it. If it wasn't a huge hailstorm and there's only a few little divots here or there and the damage is only a couple $100s, again, probably not worth it to file that claim, because same thing, that will show up. It will affect your claims history, which will always affect the premium that you pay on your car insurance. And that's just in general. We never want to file small claims when we can just pay out of pocket. If we can ever not file the small claim and not have it go on our record, we're going to be better off in the long run. So there's the answer. Hail damage, yes, on 99% of policies is going to be covered on both your home and your auto insurance. But as always, talk with your independent broker, talk with your insurance company, and confirm with them that it is covered like you think it's covered. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you in the next video.